How to fix laptop battery not charging. So if you are facing this problem, first and foremost, tap on the start icon and in the search bar, search for device manager. Now go ahead and extend the option of batteries right here and right click on the first one, that is Microsoft AC adapter, and tap on update driver. If it says it is already the best driver, tap on the cross or close it, and again right click on it and tap on update driver and select the second option here and tap on pick one option, and you have to select anything and then leave it for an update. So once you do that, you can also go ahead and uninstall the driver, and once it is uninstalled, tap on the action option and go to scan for hardware changes. Then you can see there the refreshed adapter is here again. So that is the most crucial step. Now on to the next step. Here you have to go ahead and search for troubleshoot so that we can find the error here. Now tap on other troubleshooters and you have to go ahead and search for power. And right next to power, you have to find the option of run and just tap on the run option so that the troubleshoot process can be conducted and it will notify you if any problem is detected there. So that is the second one. Now the third is to tap on power and select the option of choose a power plan here. Now from here you have to go ahead and tap on create a power plan and you have to select either balance, power saver or high performance and then tap on next. You can customize your own power plan, and from this the problem might be fixed that you are facing. And this is a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.